Hi everyone, welcome to Study with Akshay and this is Akshay. In this video basically we will be dealing with banking revision. So since we have completed the introductory video, example numericals, exercise numericals as well as pre-board questions, it's just a recap of all those things. And few tips will be given for you to maintain your time in your examination paper. In order not writing all the steps, you can skip few of the steps. I will be saying what are those steps which you can skip in this video. So let's not waste time, let's get started. So before getting started, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and click on the bell icon to get regular notification. Let's get started. So basically we studied banking chapter. So in banking we studied regarding recurring deposit, which is also known as RD accounts, right? So RD accounts has its two phases which we solved in this problem. Problems are also being solved using these two phases. What are two phases of recurring deposit? First phase of recurring deposit is interest, and the second phase of recurring deposit is maturity value. So both of them have different formulas as well, which we have learned it. I will be revising those formulas as well. So interest formula is equal to I is equal to P into n of n plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 into R by 100. This was our interest formula, right children? Next we have our maturity value formula, which is nothing but P into N plus I. Using these two formulas, we have solved n number of problems, right? That is sufficient, more than enough if we study those problems which are solved in the previous videos. So most of the questions will be related to the same problems and most of the questions will be repeated. This is a secret, right? Okay, so along with this I had taught you one combined formula also in the first video. That is the introductory video. I had taught you a combined formula of both maturity value as well as interest. So let me write down that combined formula as well over here. I'll write it over here, children. In this portion of the board, I will write the combined formula. Maturity value is equal to P into N into P into N of N plus 1 into R 2400. Okay. So basically, children, my simple trick or my simple tip or my simple suggestion for you to save time in your examination is that please don't first find the interest and then find the maturity value. Please don't do it like that. Only if they have only given the interest. Few problems which we solved in our pre-board questions, they had only given the interest also. So we were supposed to find the principal. It is there. That video has already been uploaded in the playlist. You can go back to that. So there, in that case, use only this formula. Okay. So in all other cases, you can only use this formula. So in terms, that formula is very important in the examination point of view. Make a note of this formula, children. And there, as we all know that there will not be any marks allocated for any of the formulas. Only for substitution, that too correct substitution, we will be getting 1 mark, right? According to the marking scheme of the board. So this formula is very important, and in case you first find out interest and then find out maturity value, you will be wasting some time, and in the other way around you will be writing too much of steps over there. So basically they require what? Proper substitution, you get 1 mark, proper simplification you get 1 mark, and overall how you are converting, how is your idea regarding recurring deposit, for that you will be getting 1 mark. Total, it is a 3-marked question regarding this chapter, or in some cases they might give 4-marked questions. Okay children, there will be 2 subdivisions. So first to find out principal or number of months or rate of interest, and then finding out the maturity value. So these kind of things might be given in your examination paper as well. So all these kinds of questions has been discussed in all other videos which were taught till now, right children? So basically let's get started with the first type of question what they might ask. So first type of question to find out maturity value. Direct question, right? One more type is to find out interest. Later on, they might ask us to find out the principal by giving us interest. They might ask us to find principal, or they might also give us maturity value and they might ask us to find out principal, right? So later on, they might ask us to find the rate of interest by giving this both interest as well as the maturity value in this case also, right? If they give us interest, it is simple, damn easy. If they give us maturity value, then we have to use few more steps if you are solving in the first method, finding out interest and then finding out the maturity. Else you will be solving it in just 3 to 4 steps, okay? And then number of months. So here also they might give us interest and maturity value. So as I have told in the first video as well, they might ask us probably to find principal, maturity value and rate of interest. Very rarely they will ask us to find the interest and number of months. So because for number of months we will be using what type of equation formula, children? It is a quadratic equation. Quadratic equations, right? So in this case it might be for 4-mark question, children. So here your quadratic equation skills matters a lot. So chapter for quadratic equation will be taught. We have 2 chapters based on quadratic equation. One is quadratic equation simple by solving and one more is word problems based solving. So I will be doing those videos very soon and I will be uploading it in playlist. No need to worry. So if you don't know that chapter, if you are not aware of any of the things which are taught in that chapter, you can use your normal method. So the quadratic equations which they give is very easy to solve. You're splitting the middle term methods, work over there. Your factorization method, work over there. So you can easily solve this also. So this kind of question, if they ask, minimum means it takes 3 to 4 minutes for you to solve. If it is rate of interest or principal, you must be solving it in 2 minutes, right? So this is the way you can manage your time in your examination paper as well. So I think so I have covered all the things which were taught, right? All the things which were taught. Okay? Right. I have covered all the things. So for more and more explanation, you can go through the videos which are already uploaded in the playlist. You can pause the videos, make your own notes. Please write it down as such. So if you make your own notes, it helps you a lot. So I am saying it by my experience. I make my notes on my own. Right? So if you make your notes on your own, it helps you during your examination times. Instead of go through my videos, you can directly look at your notes. Okay? So as in when you have doubts, you can clarify using our mail ID. You know our mail ID is, I'll write it down over here. So still now I had never written the mail ID anywhere. So I will be writing it over here. So using this mail ID, you can mail me any of your doubts, suggestions, comments, any of those things can be mailed. So as soon as I see the mail, I will be responding it, probably in the same day or the next day. Right children? So I will not delay your doubts. Okay? And I wanted to say, you people, we will be doing furthermore all the chapters of your mathematics will be uploaded in this YouTube channel as well. So till now we have completed our GST as well as banking chapter. So please go through all the things and then put forward your doubts using this mail ID, children. So I think so you people have liked this video and you people have understood all the important tips which I told you, how to prevent your time consumptions. I had told you. You people mainly concentrate on pre-board questions for banking chapter as well as example numericals. So exercise numericals you can aram se solve. Concentrate on example as well as pre-board questions. Okay, and few study materials you might be getting. So I will be uploading few more questions very soon, as in when I complete all the chapters. A revision way of questions will be uploaded over there, and the solution will be displayed in the after some 3 to 4 minutes. I will be giving you the solve. Later on I will be displaying the solution. It will be like a quiz kind of questions we will be doing after we complete all the chapter, children. So I think so you enjoyed this video and you understood all the tips. So if you have liked this video, please click on the thumbs up button. Please share this video. You can comment using this mail ID. So stay home, stay safe, wear dual mask, sanitize at regular intervals, maintain social distancing, minimum 6 feet distancing as soon as possible, as much as possible maintain 6 feet distancing. As much as possible stay home. So please don't go out until and unless there is any emergency situation. Please stay home, stay safe. Together, let's all fight against this COVID-19 coronavirus. Thank you.